Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace brake pads on a Subaru Outback. First, gather all your necessary tools like a jack, lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Make sure you have new brake pads and consider new rotors if they are worn. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands and wheel chocks to secure your vehicle before starting any work. Once your vehicle is safely supported, remove the wheel to access the brake assembly. You'll then locate the brake caliper, which is typically held by two bolts. Carefully unbolt the caliper and gently slide it off the rotor. Remember to hang the caliper securely so it doesn't strain the brake hose. Now you can remove the old brake pads. Before installing new pads, you must compress the caliper piston to make room. A C-clamp or a dedicated brake piston tool works best. Place an old pad against the piston to protect it. Then, insert your new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they are correctly seated. Finally, reattach the caliper and tighten its bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. With the new pads installed, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your vehicle. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This builds hydraulic pressure. Next, perform a crucial test drive in a safe area. Gradually bed in your new brakes with a series of moderate stops from speeds like 30 to 40 miles per hour, allowing them to cool between stops.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.